Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Usually on this channel we are delivering groceries for Spark Delivery. That's where a lot of y'all know me from, but we've changed things up a little bit on this channel. So we not only do workouts, we're gonna start gardening as well. We decided that we were gonna start a garden back in 2022 when we purchased our home. So this is how it all got started. Now, I wasn't going to share this because we are behind. It's 2025 and I've been holding on to this content. But I thought, with the way everything is going in the world, and because it's so many people that's wanted to learn how to start a garden or to grow their own food, then this would be a perfect time to go ahead and put this information out or this content out. So this is how it all got started. We decided that we wanted to grow our own. So this was our spring and summer 2023 garden, and we had pretty much a lot of different things, but then we decided that we wanted to expand this and do a 20-foot garden. So this is what we decided to do for the fall garden. This is the start of our fall garden. So this was our spring and summer garden that we started in April. And as you see, we've already gotten this all broken down. So now what we're going to be doing is expanding the garden. So it's going to be a 20-foot garden. So what we're going to be doing now is preparing this to be like this. These are the tools that we have. So we were just doing some edging with the weed eater, and then we have this tiller right here, and of course the lawnmower. We got our hoe and a shovel. Have a little bit of peat moss, some black cow, some compost and manure. So yeah, this is what we have going on. This is going to be the tarp that's going to go over the ground once he gets this all squared away. And then everything that's going to be planted is going to be through these holes, so we'll be able to walk around within the garden and not actually have to walk on the grass per se. So this is what he's planning to do with this. So what we decided to do right here, or my husband decided to do, was pull the grass that I just showed you from back there And because we had these balding spots right here, he's putting that grass right here to hopefully fill this in. So, like he said, some side work. Hope it works. So it's day 2. Alright, so it's day 2, and this is how the grass is laying. So we have it all the way down now. Y'all saw those bald spots that we had, and now it's all grass. So we're going to see how this turns out, even right here. And this is how the grass is laying. So we have it all the way down now. Y'all saw those bald spots that we had, and now it's all grass. So we're going to see how this turns out, even right here. It was like a bald patch right here. So he's put the grass from what he's digging up for the garden right here. What we have so far, but it's been so hot where we live. This is the only thing that we could do. Hopefully y'all can see this. So yeah, this is what we have. So all this space right here is gonna be the garden, and what we're working on right now is getting this patch of grass up and out the way so we can get ready to start tilling. So that's what we have. It is currently, I think it's almost 11 o'clock at night. So, yep. So this is the tarp. This is the Lazy Grow kit, part of the Lazy Grow kit. And so what he is doing is installing a drip irrigation, which is what you see, this thing right here. So it's just going to be running and dripping water down to the roots, as opposed to having the water spray over the leaves, just over the top. So that's what it's going to be. And so what it is, it has these holes that's already cut. So you'll be able to just plant, let's just say if it was something that needs to spread out. So you would plant what you need here, and then it has an empty space to allow this to spread out. So if it was something like what you said, you say strawberries? Oh, the strawberries will be up there. So what would be right here?
Tomatoes, peppers, things that require space, have large root systems that spread out.
Okay.
Tomatoes, peppers, things of that nature. Collard greens, cabbages, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale,
Okay, so yeah, that's what you will plant in these spaces right here. And then up here are larger slits, so you can put a variety of things here. So if you wanted to have like the onions and stuff and just different things just lined up, rooted vegetables, that's when you have this. So yeah, this is how everything all got started. It started back in 2023, and now here we are in 2025, and we are excited for our spring garden this year. We have overcome snow and all of that, so we already have some things already started, but we can't wait to show you all what else we have. If you want to see some behind the scenes footage, you can always follow us on TikTok. We're at Rolling with Renee, just like here at YouTube. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you leave us a thumbs up, share this video with anyone who maybe wanted to start their garden, and we will see you in the next video.